Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will continue our discussion and now prepare the financial model for a company, Apache Corporation. Apache Corporation is a company which is US based and this company belongs to oil and gas sector. I have already explained you about different players in oil and gas sector, their responsibilities, their key issues, their accounting issues, the income statement, balance sheet. I have only given you a brief about these inputs. Now from this video onwards, we will start preparing a complete financial model for a US based company that I just mentioned, Apache Corporation. I will show you how to prepare the financial model of this company step by step, cell by cell from scratch. On your screen, I'll first show you the complete financial model. You can see this is a multi-tab financial model. A multi-tab financial model is one which has various worksheets. Like we have assumption sheets, we have revenue built up, we have P&L, we have balance sheet, cash flow statement, schedules, and DCF valuation. So we have multiple tabs in which our financial model is spreaded. You may have sometimes a single tab financial model. Single tab means when the entire model is built only on one sheet, right? So in general we prepare multi-tab financial model only, but when you are making a crisp, a very short, very quick financial model, you may go for a single tab model also, but in general we create multi-tab financial model only. So this is the model that we are going to create. On the first sheet we have the assumptions for oil, natural gas liquid. Okay, these are the productions. These are the assumptions for production of three different products the company is selling. I'll brief you about it. Just listen to this video from start to end, and then in the next video we will talk about more on it. Then we have the prices of oil, natural gas and natural gas liquid. These are the assumptions, right? Because this is the assumption sheet. Then we have certain more assumptions like tax rate, number of days, capital expenditure, stock based compensation, dividend per share, number of share outstanding, various other assumptions for different items of income statement, balance sheet. Now here we have the revenue built up. The first we have the production levels for all the three products the company is selling for all the three geographical locations. Then here we have the prices for all the three products for all the three geographical locations. Then we have the revenue. Now this particular revenue will be transferred to the P&L. P&L, here it is the revenue of all the three products. Calculation is coming from revenue built up. Here it is just the linking of those calculations, right? Then we have the expenses. Then we have certain more calculation of the income statement items. Here we have the balance sheet, historical balance sheet, and then forecasted balance sheet. I'm just giving you a brief about how the model is structured, means where is income statement, where is our balance sheet, where is our cash flow statement. This is the model that you will be able to create after the end of this particular module in the online course. Then we have the cash flow statement. After the cash flow statement, here we have the schedules. These are the various schedules. Let's say we have working capital schedule. Up till now this is the working capital schedule. Then we have fixed asset schedule, and then here we have a very big debt schedule, opening debt, change in debt, and then we have closing debt. Then at last we have interest expense also, and here we have the DCF valuation. The price that we have derived based on our assumptions is $28.47. Now this particular price is based on the assumption that we have taken, right? I'll talk about how the assumptions are taken, how to take the data from the annual report of the company, how to uh, do the historical analysis, how to read the annual report, and some other things. I'll talk about in this particular online video course on Apache financial model. Apache financial model is only one financial model. You will see various other financial models also. Like there is a model on auto sector, there is a model on real estate, there is a model on FMCG. You will be able to see all those modules, but this is one video, and in this particular module of the online course I'll talk about how to be prepare the financial model of an oil and gas company. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.